This is Sam Brock in Houston, where only a few months ago Ken Bridge was celebrating the opening of his restaurant. Now, after 2 chefs contracted coronavirus, he's had to shut down.
It was a no-brainer right away. I mean, there was no decision, but it was a tough decision. Absolutely. We've been working on this project for almost 3 years.
Tonight, the Texas governor pausing the state's reopening and suspending elective surgeries at hospitals in 4 heavily impacted counties, including the Houston area, perhaps the epicenter of the crisis. With reports, hospitals here are approaching 100% ICU bed capacity, though hospital CEOs insist they regularly work around that capacity and can do so again.
We're concerned that there is a level of alarm in the community that is unwarranted right now, because we do have the capacity to care for many more patients.
Tonight, we asked Houston's mayor.
Do you think there's been unnecessary alarm when it comes to hospitalization numbers?
The situation is bad. We're in the midst of a healthcare crisis.
Doctors are most concerned about the surge in cases among the young, most of whom won't get seriously ill, but can pass the virus on to those who could.
Some of them are super spreaders because they're bringing that infection back into their house, back when they visit their grandparents, when they see their parents, when they meet with other individuals.
Infection rates in Houston have risen sharply in recent days, as has the hefty toll of this outbreak.
I think about my staff every day. We're all dependent on one another, so we stick together. It's like one tight family.
ICU beds here are nearly full, but 70% of the people using them don't have COVID-19. About 30% do. Doctors telling people who need urgent care to still come to the hospitals for treatment.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.